So how to make money from trending types? Essentially, see what is the common cryptocurrency that is spiking. Okay, see what cryptocurrency has really spiked, and then look for the cheaper alternative. Okay. Now, normally these come into groups. Okay, staking coins, for instance. If one staking coin really makes it big, everybody's going to be looking for the next one. So look for the cheaper alternatives, and then you essentially anticipate the high. You don't chase the high. So let's say, for instance, if we're looking at proof of stake coins and proof of stake wallet, POSW, that coin all of a sudden pumped. Don't chase the high of POSW. Look for the one that hasn't been pumped yet, that is the replica of POSW. And then that will more than likely pump. If it doesn't, stop loss, you've lost nothing. But if it does, you've made a huge profit. Okay, so this is how trending cryptocurrencies can really make you serious money in cryptocurrency. So this is a great way of being able to anticipate the high, and this is what I've done on a lot of occasions. Anticipating the high is easy when you've got a type in which the one that has just spiked, if it falls into a type of cryptocurrency, then it means that it opens up a whole host of others that are likely to follow. And like you saw with my Masternode coins, essentially 3 soared as a result of that. Not just 1, 3. So I was able to get behind all 3 of them in the same morning. They all pumped. They all did extremely well. So don't just look for one necessarily alternative. Look for a few. There is another example, which is like cannabis-related coins. So, for instance, Potcoin and Cannabis Coin. About a few months ago, Cannabis Coin really rose, okay? But instead of chasing Cannabis Coin, a lot of people went into Hemp Coin, went into Potcoin, and all of a sudden, they grew straight after because they were trending. So people anticipated the highs. That's what the clever people do. So anticipate the highs, don't chase the highs, okay? Don't chase something that's already high. Anticipate the cheapest alternative that's likely to experience the next high and go for it. That is a way of making real savage cash with trending types and doing short-term trading.